Me I want my cousin to date and I will let you find out.
Look out for told him and them thing there.
These are big continue.
If you hang up, right?
We should even question it.
No, we not boil the soup. No, we not boil the soup. That's strange. No, I'm a cousin, you know, like my first cousin, you know.
Not your father.
Say something if you knock it.
Would you believe say me I edit this right now? Yeah, me I edit it right now. So right now you go watch me I edit the video. Before we start this video, I really want to give a big shout out to Rolly from Troubling TV. He might help me film all of them videos that we want to see right now. So I want to go over to him channel, check him out, him have a vlog channel. All links are there in the description. Another thing I need to say to Uno, because it seems like I only talk this way to my vlog, and I need to have that relationship with Uno as well. Because Uno is my main priority. Don't tell the vlogs I said. I want to know, follow me on my social media, them, whether it be Instagram, Facebook, or what else me have? I don't remember. But follow me on the social media them. I always post polls in the community tab, so stay tuned for that. I always ask questions and I might hint like any video I go drop soon. Another important thing, click the like button. That's the golden rule. Rolly don't tell you already on film channel. Every like is an encouragement and me I go hard for them video for you. A long time I feel this energy to post some videos and I go give you some videos. I go always give you some excitement. I can assure you that. Get your popcorn, get some juice, and get ready for the video. Turn on post notifications or may kidnap your auntie.
Razablade TV. Entertainment in 3D. What's up everybody? You don't know your boy Razablade, and today I'm back with an epic video. Today I finally go give you know. Brother, stop wearing my underpants, brother. Stop wearing my friggin' underpants, brother. My girl, you're deaf. You can't give me no pum pum. Me and your cousin, my girl. You can't do that. Stop wearing my underpants. Embarrassing phone calls part 2. Last year I do it and I say give me 1,000.
That you had.
I'm gonna do part 2. So I'm never go in the box, so today I'm gonna give you a long episode. You're gonna love it, you're gonna enjoy it. So me ready right now. Let's go. Kim, you're 14-year-old. Me can't go in and nothing. No, I can't say it no better. You're 14, my girl, I'm 20. I appreciate what they said me. Why you won't stop borrowing people's phone and call me? My girl, next time tell the truth about your age on Facebook. Don't do them stuff there. Appreciate a catfish, you want catfish me, my friend? Like seriously? My girl, my cousin, you can't. You serious right now? Girl like me, my cousin I try to push up on me. What kind of thing that? Yo, the trouble is, like me just find out some other cousin. You see it? Like me used to look at her, then me find out some other cousin. So I say, hey, good thing when they reach so far. You see what I say? That to that shaky. And she still want push it.
That was so.
I don't know where she see or where she hear.
You know a smaller change?
No, I don't know smaller change. Wish me they have smaller. And I really want the water, you know. What do you think I should do? In a situation like that?
I feel let it go.
I mean, I have a bedroom to tell me something for those cut it.
Me I want my cousin to date and I will let you find out. I'll find out, just have to let it go. Him never want it to go, but me let it go.
Boy, if you don't get...
Yeah, brother, I tried the thing I said for try last night. Look out for I told him and them thing there. Yeah, we are talking about that. You work, she scream out your friend. Kim, me your cousin, me you can't date. Stop calling my phone. My girl, what happened to you, me your cousin? Stop calling my phone no. Jesus Christ. How do you charge it? Everything go on, isn't it?
Like the flame, you know.
Yeah, cool.
Just come take a picture of me and
Hi.
Hello.
This is one of the most comedy guy on YouTube.
Oh.
Like Chabas, my friend Chabas and such.
Yeah, because we did do a prank right there, but we never know say one of my bridge them actually a call to it.
Oh.
Yeah, what's that? Alright, we'll take your picture. Yeah, dog, but they try that thing over there. I think we have some liquor for two of them.
But honestly, like, you make me so wet.
Yeah, dog. It work out. But you want to hear the girl that scream and say, yo, she never knew, say, oh, that, you know, would that turn her on that much.
I just want you to choke me out.
Keisha, me and your cousin. You can't deal with your cousin. Why you still call me and text me like you look the same way? Me and your cousin. Keep me and your cousin. Stop my arm to you, girl. You can't deal with your cousin. I want to you. My girl, you know me going to do? Me go call auntie and tell auntie say you try to look me. That me going to do. Stop! Stop the brake! Stop! Me go call auntie and tell auntie say you try to look me. That me going to do. No, that me have to go do.
Oh my god, are you okay?
Yeah, meditating there.
My girl, me and your cousin. Me and your cousin. You know what cousin mean? Me and your family. We cannot be together. Me and your family, we can't be together and stop calling me black me. Stop what you do? No, for real, me, you know, get to me and say me and your cousin, me can't be in a relationship. Yeah, push relationship vibes to me and this not work.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
I have one cousin where like contact me like she want to deal with me like what am I supposed to do? Like I'm scared right now. This weird.
Please don't draw it.
Don't try. See nobody that even want to help me sort this out. Sorry about that, yeah, my friend. I'm not pressure you. No.
How you mind to end that call with a cousin? That call should even be continued.
We should hang up, right?
We should even question it.
No, for real. No, but she keep on call me and like she change her number and call me so me keep on have to answer my phone.
But you see, I can.
True. I need to rub it in. I need help. I'm stressed. I say it has stress. Sorry if you overhear my conversation. I don't know because I keep on call me upon other numbers and it has stressed me no help. And I tell me a bag of things and she go through my phone and see some things and it's like it I get to her. Yeah, relationship she want to have with. Yeah, me I tell her I say yo we are cousin like me find out say we're not cousin. So it don't make no sense. Right? Right now, I never know me I talk so loud. For she me I blast it in a place. People hear me I say this, me shame like whoa.
That's shame. But tell them, as soon as you find out, you answer the phone and you find out it's
See how she hang up. Right.
Tell her you're not going to transfer that is incest.
Yeah. Me need to just tell a girl that say yo, just hang up people now. My girl, me and your cousin, you can't push up on your cousin like that. No, we not boil the soup. No, we not boil the soup. That's strange. No, I'm a cousin, you know, like my first cousin, you know. Say something if you knock it. No, we don't feel like we work with her. We don't feel like we work with her one day. I can't believe this. We're stressed out.
We out here.
Don't forget it. My girl, me and your cousin, stop calling my phone now. Me and you can't dare, stop calling my phone. Why you keep on calling me and your cousin?
Razablade. Where do you wait?
Where am I going?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
No, for.
My girl, stop doing them thing there. Cause right now you make me get vexed, my girl. You a little pitney, a prison you want to send me? You know I'm going to expose it to your family, my girl. Jesus. Oh, you even get my number. I block you with the last number, I change my chip. Oh, you get back my number. Huh? No, you know what? I'm going to call your mother and tell your mother say I look big man. That me going to do. That me going to do.
Love your mother.
That me for do me.
I love you.
Call me to call her and tell her say yeah, your daughter want a big man. You see how quick she hang up? I trouble she try to get me in there now. Oh boy.
I respect your father.
My girl, me and your cousin, me and you can't go in a relationship, you deaf?
No.